Tabidoo allows you to create any unique application tailored to you without programming. However, for today's demonstration, we have chosen the Business Opportunity Management, CRM. No one wants to miss a business because of a mess in data. You don't need rocket science for that. We'll create a simple CRM together in Tabidoo in a few minutes. Here's an example of what such an application looks like when you spend a little more time with it. This sample is downloaded from our templates, all created without programming. However, in the next steps, we will show a very simplified CRM definition. Extending functionality after this demonstration will be definitely easy for you. This is what Tabidoo looks like after registration. There is no application. You can either download the application from templates or create it from scratch. And that's exactly what we're going to show you now. The application is like a list of tables with data. Excel with sheets. We fill in the name and move on. No table is created in the application. Let's start with the contacts table. Next, we will create a table with companies and link them together. After filling in the table name, we move on to the item's definition, columns in the table. But we can also view the data as cards or on a calendar, so we prefer to call it items. Let's keep it really simple. Surname, first name, and email contact will be enough for the demonstration. For the email, we change the type from text to email. We will add one record to show what we have just created. Fill surname and name. Email. And save, of course. Well done. This is our first table. Now the company's table. After filling in the table name, we again define the items we need to store with the company. Here, it is up to your imagination and needs only. There are many types available: text, number, date, money with automatic conversion to different currencies, and so on. For time reasons, we will only create a few basic items: identifier and company name, link to their website, and a date to call them next. We will use the date item next call at the end of the video in the notification settings. It is therefore important to remember to set the correct input type here, date. Again, we're adding an entry to the table. We fill the form with very simple values. Let's not waste time. And we'll set the date of the next call for tomorrow, because why not? Now we have an entry in the table companies and in the contacts table, but we're missing the linking here. We'll fix this together quickly. Linking tables is as easy as adding any other item. We select the table to which we set the link and name the item in the table. In the contacts table, we want to display the company name, not the ID. Who is supposed to remember a company by ID? Great. Now, when we open a contact record, we can link the contact and the company. That was easy. Very simple customer management is ready. But it wouldn't be complete without a demonstration of at least a simple notification. Notifications, reports, and more can be added from the Edit Application menu. Here. We will import the basic extensions into the application: workflow automation, reports, and users and roles. These extensions should find use in any CRM. We have imported the extensions. Let's define a simple notification. We will use the workflow automation to do this. Workflow automation can do a lot more things, of course, but that's a whole other video about that. For now, define the trigger. This is what triggers the actions we define next. Set the table from which the workflow start date will be read, and we define how long before or after this date the actions will run. Here you can see the system offers the next call item from the company's table. This is the only date column in the company's table. As an action, we can choose email notification, Slack, and many more. But we will stop our show here. That's all for today. In the end, it took a little longer than I expected, but we created a simple customers management in a few minutes. We created a table of contacts, companies, and notifications. A great foundation for a future CRM. Or another system tailored to you. A system where nothing is missing. But at the same time, it doesn't have a lot of functionality that's more of a distraction. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in the next video.